Hello everyone, friends on the Weller channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your Instagram account to another device. To do this, I went to my Instagram account. Yes, here on top I have a nickname. Next, on my other Android device, I open Instagram, or iPhone. It doesn't matter. I click that I already have an account. I enter here accordingly my nickname. Yes, I enter the underscore and enter the password. So I click login. Then accordingly, simply enter the password. Yes, I probably entered it incorrectly. Well, after entering the password, respectively, we can log in or try to log in with an email address. Here we click Use another path, respectively, log in with an email address. Yes, that's it. And we, accordingly, receive a message by email. Now it will come out. That's it. And reset the password and log into the account. Weller was with you. Goodbye, everyone.